Got a floppy towel rod, and guests are going to be here in less than 2 hours. We got to fix this. Fix it quick. I made a field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. A lot of times the curtain rod has a set screw. This doesn't. This just has a quick release where you push up from the bottom and pop it out. Push up from the bottom while we work out. Be sure and catch the towel rod as you release it. Now I can't use a regular wall anchor like this one, but that's just going to pull out again. Or I can use my favorite self-tapping wall anchor. But that also, I think that hole is going to be too small for that. So I decided to use a toggle. This toggle is rated for 120 pounds. Those are big beastie boys. I don't think we're going to need that. But I do want to use as much surface area on the back of the sheetrock as possible. So that's why I'm going to use a toggle. Ah, that was self-tapping. It had just reamed out. Like so. I'm going to take the toggle. That's a perfect size. Don't push it all the way in while you're testing like I just did. We're going to unscrew the toggle. And will that bolt to go in there? With some help, it will. Okay. We're going to thread our toggle. Make sure the wings open towards you. We can shorten that. We could trim it. I'm not gonna. Push it in. Here, let's listen for it to open. Just like that. And now we're gonna keep pressure on the toggle as we tighten this up. This side is bottom, and just snug it up. There we are. Here's that release I was telling you about. Just pushes in like that. Put our towel rod in there, towel rod in here, and just push it in place. That's going nowhere. Oh yeah, I think that toggle is a much better choice. For more home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now. I'll see you in the next video.